Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France and I'm still in Arizona, and today we're going to make a very easy to do recipe of chorizo stuffed pork loin on the Pitboss Pro Series 11 and 50. We're going to just open the meat into, stuff the meat with the chorizo meat, roll it, tie it, rub it, and then we will smoke the meat at 120 Celsius degrees for maybe 1.5 hours or maybe 2 hours until an internal temperature of 74 Celsius degrees, since the chorizo meat is pork and the pork loin is pork, of course. Okay, let's go start with the opening of the meat. So the internal temperature of the meat is at 74 Celsius degrees, which is perfect. I just have to slice it. Really beautiful. The meat is juicy, of course, with all the fat from the sausage. So I hope you appreciate this video on the chorizo stuffed pork loin on the Pitboss Pro Series 1150. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.